All right, once again, you are welcome to our importation class. I'm going to be taking you on how you can start your own importation business from the comfort of your home using your mobile phone. All right, so this is going to be a mini importation class as you can start with as little as 100,000 naira and make more than 300 to 500 profit. Now, what you're going to be doing, the first thing you will do is head over to Play Store and install a software called Temu. Simply head over to Temu and type Temu. That's the name of the software, Temu. Now, Temu have been gaining a lot of popularity online as it is going to replace AliExpress and Alibaba. So let's open this one. As soon as you open it, you have to install it, please. Just get it installed. As soon as you get it installed, and make sure that the one you are installing has 8 million reviews. And then if you check, you see the downloads. The downloads here is 500 million. This is the original Temu. So once you install it, the next thing you do is for you to open it. Install it, and then let's open Temu and get started immediately. All right, so now let's minimize this. So what you're going to do is for you to simply scroll up, and then we are going to search for Temu. Just head over, search for where you install Temu. And then that's it. So I'm going to be opening Temu. So once you open it, the first thing you will do is for you to sign up. Sign up with your Gmail account. All right. Simply just sign up. As soon as you sign up, all right, you are going to see the menu under this. You'll see we have home, categories, you, and the cat. All right. Now the home here is a home page, just like you are seeing right now. It will show you a lot of trending items. And once you come to home, you see trending items. And then you can also see at the top here, you see all electronics, home, office, and all. These are all categories. All right. You see that there are very many of them. You can also come to the top here and search. All right. Just come here, type any search term. If you are looking for women's wear, shoes, type it here on the search bar here. All right. You're going to see a lot of results. Now, but there's something I want you to take note on Temu. Each time you open your Temu app, this is where you make the money. This is where the money is. Now, you're going to see they're running discounts. There are a lot of lightning deals. It is called lightning deals. Come to this place where you see lightning deals. All right, they have limited time offer. All right, now you also come here. You see this item here? This item, anytime you see this line here, all right, these lightning deals, it will soon expire. This one is still long. This one will soon finish. Now, open any of these lightning deals, all right? Open any of them, and then you are going to see other lightning deals. Now, follow me very well because I'm going to be showing you there are a lot of people that says that Temu is a scam. No, Temu is a scam. Rather, you are the scammer. Because if you don't read the instruction, if you don't check their headline, if you don't read their description, you would think that the particular item that is featured for like $5 was actually a phone. You could see a phone being showcased as, in fact, we are going to do some illustration. I'm going to show you. Now, look at this. This item here, right now, is supposed to sell for 31,000 naira. This item, it comes with two microphones, wireless microphone, and a box speaker. This is a wireless box speaker. Now, it is sold for 14,000 naira. 14,000 naira with free shipping. All right? Free shipping. Now, you can take advantage of this. Most of these items, you have to compare them. Compare these items and then actually confirm if they are the same. So now if you check this one here, I'll just take your time, go through them. You see this Android, you see this tablet. This tablet right now as we speak to you is selling for 55,000 naira. You see? This item goes for 55,000 naira, but original price of it is 131,000 naira. Now let's open this. Let me open this. Original price they used to sell it is 131 naira. Oh, sorry, 131,000 naira. As you can see here, this is strike through. So they are giving you 57% discount. You see? So this item goes for 55,000 naira right now. But you guess what? In Nigeria, yeah, if you want to buy it from one of these electronic stores, or home appliances store, it goes for up to 170,000 naira. You see, but right now you are getting it for a month, 55,000 naira. Even if you sell this item for 120,000 naira or 100,000, you are making a lot of gain. You see, you are making a whole lot of gain. So for you to book this one down, you just click here, add to cart. You can click here if you want to increase a quantity. Assume you want to buy 5, just come here and increase it to 5, and then add to cart. You see, and once you add to cart, it will be added to cart. Look at it, added to cart. Now take note of this. This item is going to end, all right, in 5 days. This will end in 5 days. So take note of this lightning deal. It ends in 5 days. You see, so you may come back the next Friday, you may not see this again. You may not see it. And when you are buying an item, this is what you do. Please make sure that it is this item you are getting by simply scrolling. Come here and scroll like this. Just use your finger, scroll through the pictures. You see, it's only this item. These are the items look at. This is how it looks like. You see the dimension and everything. You see, this one is running Android 14, the latest. All right, so that is it. So it comes with free shipping. Like I said, it comes with free shipping. Now you have to scroll up, please. Come here to confirm that this item is really good. Scroll up and see what people are saying. You see, order guarantee. You see, you have 90-day returns. That is after buying this item. All right, you don't like it. After 90 days, you can return it. 3 months. You can return it. Return if item is damaged. You see, these are order guarantee, price adjustment, and all of that. So now you have to come here and search what people are saying. All reviews are from verified purchases. Check what people are saying. You can take your time and scroll up. Let us check. All right, so now if you come here, where is our review? Let me check reviews. Okay, so sometimes you have to check through review. I think this one, what has it gotten reviews? Let me check. All right, so you also check through the reviews, and then from there you can determine if the product is actually good or not. All right, so let's go back. Let's check out other ones. There are other powerful products. Now this is what I want to show you. Take a look at this. This is where people claim that they got scammed on Temu. This is where they claim. Now look at this item. This item here, this Vespa bike is selling for 10,000 naira. But is this actually a Vespa bike or something else? Let's open this and see. Now, because they put this picture of this Vespa bike, some people might think that this Vespa bike goes for this in 10,000 naira. But let's see, this is a kid's cute motorcycle toy car. You see, if you don't look at it very well, you might think that it's a Vespa. All right, if you don't look at it, if you don't read the description, take your time, read your description very well. You can come here, click this arrow to drop. You see, you're going to see every information about this product. And then you can come here again and scroll like this. Scroll like this. You see all the different colors of this toy. You see, this is actually a toy. You see? So somebody will now read through it. You can even see the dimension. 8.5 centimeter, 3.34 inches and 6 point something inch. So somebody might see this and claim, oh, he ordered for it and he got a toy. So if you don't go through it, if you don't even slide through the pictures to know what you're ordering for, you will scam yourself thinking Temu scammed you. You see? So that is it. Now let's take a look at other ones. I want to show you this thing here. So you have to take advantage, any of these flash sales here, take advantage of it. These are the things you should go for. All of these lightning deals, all right, go for them. Now, if you come here, you will see let me show you how to get lightning deals. As you come here, you are going to see lightning deals here. Just open this lightning deals category. You will see all the lightning deals. So you are to come here to order these items. This is where the profit is. This is actually where you get the profit. You see? Now look at this. Now this other one here. This security camera. Let me open this. Now this security camera, you might think that you'll be getting 4 because this picture shows 4. No, it might not be so. Read through this category. I mean the description. This item is selling for 16,000 naira. Now this item in the market is going for 45,000 naira in Nigeria. Right now, is selling for 45,000 naira, but you are getting it here for 16,000 naira. You see, and they are telling you that this is 61% off. 61%. Now look at it. This item goes for 44,000, as you can see here. Look at the price here, 44,000 naira. Now you are getting it for 16,000 naira. So this is a very big profit for you. So you have to come here and read more about this device so as to know what you are actually ordering. So anytime you see a product you like, just click add to cart. As soon as you finish adding it to cart, the next thing you will do, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to head over to cart. Just go to cart. When you go to cart, you will see all the items you ordered. All right, you are going to see all the items you order. You see, look at like this one now. You see this projector. This is a running projector. Now I wanted to show you about this. You see this projector? Search for it, buy it, and sell it. This projector is selling for 140,000 naira in Nigeria market right now. But how much are you getting it? It's 40,000 naira. A lot of you are aware of this projector. You know, you can carry it. It's very portable. You can carry it anywhere with you. You can even connect your this thing, your phone. You can connect your TV. You can connect your phone to it. It is very portable, and it's an Android projector. So how much does it go for? 40,000 naira. So take advantage of this. Now, after you've added items to your shopping cart, this is your shopping cart. All right, you have to come here to remove an item from the shopping cart you don't want. Just simply click here. You see this delete button here. This is delete button. Click on it. You see another one again. Anyone you don't like, just anyone, just do what? Click on it. And once you click on it, price will reduce here. Anyone you click, you see the price will reduce. So if you want to place order, now just simply click here. Click on this. Now this is going to bring you to it will bring you to where you can actually place the order. Now this is what you do. If you want to pay, this is how you pay. All right, we have the shipping method. Shipping method is actually free. You see, it's actually free. Now the delivery of this item is going to come on August 29. You see what I'm telling you? Between August 29 to September 11th. That's when you are expecting this item. They will just tell you the day you are expecting it. Now you have to come here. If you want to pick up free, you see, if you come here, you can pick it up for free. That is, you have to go to their office. Pick up is actually free. They're not charging you. All right. The shipping method is also free. Now you have to come here. Payment method. How are you going to pay? Is it by bank transfer or is it by card? You can even pay using your OPay. Like the one I used in paying was through my OPay. Just click your OPay here. Just click here. As soon as you click here, I'm clicking on. After you select this OPay method, you have to come here and click on submit. Submit order. Now look, it's trying to process. It is trying to process. It will bring you up to OPay checkout, where you have to log into your OPay and make your payments. All right. So once you see the proceed to complete payment, you click on confirm. So, but make sure that the required amount is in your OPay card, your OPay account. So enter your digit, log in, and then do your payment. That's all. That's how you do it. So simple as that. So that's how you can place in your order on Temu, and then you expect it to be delivered to you on the stipulated date. All right, on the stipulated date, they're going to deliver it to you, and that is business deal completed.